Hello students, how are you? I hope all are good. Now can start Unit A, the Nature World, Chapter 1, Fabulous Fish. Okay? तो यहाँ पे कुछ फिशेस के बारे में जान करेंगे फिश. ठीक है? आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. Did you know that jawless fish such as lampreys and hagfish are some of the most ancient animals to have lived on the earth? Find out how much do you know about fish by choosing the right answer to these questions. Okay. Study number 1. Help other fish by removing parasites and dead skin from the stairs. तो वो है clean up fish. Okay. Clean up की वो सफाई करती है. Number 2. Most fish cannot swim backwards. कौन सी होती है वो? Backwards. Number 3, which part of the fish's body helps them to breathe underwater? What is gills? Number 4, which feature of fish makes it different from other water animals? Two-chambered heart. Okay. Number 5, which of the following does not lay eggs? तो कौन सी नहीं, मतलब अंडे कौन सी किस नहीं देती है? Who? Shark. Number 6, which of these is the world's largest living fish? Whale shark. सबसे बड़ी है इस संसार में. What is the study of fish known as? Ichthyology. Okay. Ichthyology. Now, चले. Name the fish, pick your answers from the help box. यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं. अब हमें गेस करना है कि कौन कौन सी फिश है. Now this one is, ये स्टोन की तरह है, तो this is stone fish. Okay. Now second is leon fish. Third one is anglerfish. Fourth one, parrotfish. Parrotfish. Now fifth one is clownfish.
This one.
Number 6, ये sword तलवार की तरह. हम केवल नाम लिख देते हैं, पता है हमें कि ये फिश है. ठीक है. Number 7, neon fusular. Neon fusular. Now last one is surgeon fish. Surgeon fish. Okay. Now this is next chapter. Chapter number 2, knowing insects. Insects form close to 85% of all known as animal species. That is, get some insect fact. कुछ fact बताएंगे इनके बारे में. चलिए पढ़ते हैं. Butterfly effects are term associated with weather forecasting. तो yes, बारिश के मौसम में ज़्यादा आती दिखती हैं. Hot yellow jacket and cicada pillars are various kind of bats. Yes, true. The Dracula ant feeds on the blood of its own young offspring. Yes. The butterflies of Kerguelen Island can fly higher than most birds. False. No. Honeybees can sting only once, after which they die. Yes. The bees use a language of dance to communicate with other bees. Yes, वो करके ना इस तरह से करके. Fireflies emit Cold light, which means they emit light without any heat. Yes. Most of the insects in the world live in the deep sea. No. False. Okay? Now. Shall. Nathan Sachs described in the clues below this the notorious plant-based so-called plant louse can produce. This is aphid. Okay, this is aphid. This beetle uses its own light to act. Sorry, about the baby spurier. This beetle uses its own light to attract mates, and this is called firefly. Firefly. Number third, this one is also known as the devil's darning middle dragonfly. Okay, number four, this blood sucking bug spores, blood यानी कि अंदर घुस के खून चूस भी है. Lyme's disease, this is deer tick. Okay. This Pholcadoptic carnivores is often sold to farmers to control pests such as aphids, caves and mice. बहुत देखने को मिलती है कि तुम्हें this is ladybug. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Now, knowing reptiles बड़े खतरनाक होते हैं ये, ठीक है? चलिए. Reptiles are the animals that crawl on the ground. They are cold-blooded animals that breathe in through lungs. Okay. A. For each of these facts about reptiles, tick the right. The ones that are correct and put a cross next to the ones that are wrong. यानी कि इनमें कुछ reptiles के बारे में कुछ बातें नहीं गई हैं, जो बातें सही है, जो स्टेटमेंट सही है, उन पे हमें लाइक का टिक लगाना है, और जो स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, उन पे हमें क्रॉस का टिक लगाना है. ठीक है. नंबर 1, saltwater crocodile, the largest of all crocodiles, are harmless to humans. ठीक है. Number 2, the largest living lizard is the Komodo dragon. Yes. Number 3, the tuatara has a third eye on its head. No, it. Turtles are found in Antarctica. Whoa. Okay. Cobras are the only snakes in the world that build nests for their eggs. King cobra. Yes. The reticulated pythons is the longest known snake species. Okay, अब इससे पहले 6. Reptiles do not have this. They breathe through their lungs. Yes. The reticulated python is the longest known snake species. Yes. Reptiles are different from other vertebrates because they have dry scales covering their bodies. No. Hero. Now we name these reptiles. Pick your answers from the boom box. ये तो ऐसे ही. Number 1, घड़ियाल. This. Okay. This one is Gecko. This is anaconda. Oh my God. Green man snake. This is monster. Gila monster. Gila monster, sorry. This is Frit lizard. बहुत भयानक है. बहुत सी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हमने अभी तक वीडियो में देखी भी नहीं. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this chapter. Now Next, chapter number 4, water plants. Sorry, पढ़ते हैं. These plants live in water. Read the clues below, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. चाहिए पढ़ते हैं. This free floating water plant grows commonly in sterile water. It is an aggressive invader that may kill other plants in the habitat by blocking sunlight. ठीक है, ये ऐसा पौधा है, ये बहुत कॉमनली मिल जाता है उसमें पानी में. ठीक है, बट ये अदर प्लांट्स को भी मार देता है. ठीक है, तो ब्लॉकिंग सनलाइट, सूरज होने के बाद, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं, हम यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं DUCK. सेकेंड, दिस फ्लोटिंग प्लांट हैज ह्यूज स्पॉन्जी लीव्स, और बड़ी स्पॉन्ज की तरह लीव्स होती है, विदाउट stems and roots hanging submerged beneath the floating leaves. They are found in nearly all tropical and subtropical freshwater bodies. This is water cabbage. लिखते हैं अगर ये ठीक से काम करते हैं. okay. Water CA cabbage. This is water cabbage. Number 3. These giant sea plants are actually a species of flat brown algae found in the Pacific Ocean and the southern oceans near South America. So South Africa and Australia, they grow in dense sinks known as cat forests, which are home to many water animals. So this is giant kelp. Number 4. These floating plants have small flowers with 5 yellow or white petals. Some species of these plants are aquatic weeds. So this is floating heart. This is floating heart. Okay, and the last one. This free floating perennial aquatic plant is native to tropical South America. It has feathery, freely hanging purple black roots and beautiful purple and pink flower. It grows vigorously and can double its population in 2 weeks. Then this is chapter number 4, water plants. These plants live in water. Read the clues, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. The number 1 is this free floating water plant grows commonly in sterile water. It is an aggressive invader that may kill other plants in the habitats. Okay. Up here. By blocking sunlight. Okay, number 2. This floating plant has huge spongy leaves. बहुत बड़ी spongy leaves होती है इसकी, without stems and roots hanging submerged beneath the floating leaves. They are found in nearly all tropical and subtropical freshwater bodies. This is water cabbage. Number 3. These giant sea plants are actually species of large brown algae found in the Pacific Ocean and in the southern oceans near South America, South Africa and Australia. They grow in dense sands known as kelp forests, which are home to many water animals. Then this one is giant kelp. Number 4. These floating plants have small flowers with 5 yellow or white petals. ठीक है. Some species, these plants are aquatic weeds. So this one is floating heart. Number 5. This free-floating perennial aquatic plant is native to tropical South America. It has feathery, freely hanging of purple-black roots and beautiful purple and pink flowers. It grows vigorously and can double its population 2 weeks. मतलब इसकी population बहुत double हो जाती है, बहुत मतलब अच्छी से growth होती है इसकी. तो what is this? Water WATER HY CINPH. ठीक है, वाटर यानसी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नंबर 5, एनिमल मिथ्स. मतलब एनिमल्स के बारे में कुछ मिथ्स हैं जो सही नहीं है, मतलब मिथ्स हैं झूठे ही. चलिए पढ़ते. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. आर्ट इज पॉपुलर सेइंग अबाउट एनिमल्स टू बी टू फाइंड. तो जो भी लिखा हुआ है क्या सच है? चलिए पढ़ते हैं. Touching a frog or a toad will give you words. अब मोस्ट पीपल बोलते हैं फ्रॉग या अंडा को टच करते हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या उससे मतलब उन्हें इन्फेक्शन? मोस्ट पीपल थिंक दैट बिकॉज सम फ्रॉग्स आर टोड्स हैव बम्प्स ऑन देयर बैक, दे आर इन्फेक्शंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज बुल्स रिएक्ट वायलेटली टू द कलर रेड. जो बुल्स होते हैं, जो सांड होते हैं, क्या वो रेड कलर को देख के वायलेट हो जाते हैं? मारने के लिए होते हैं. देख रहे हैं बुल्स आर, तो इसका सच क्या है? बुल्स आर कलर ब्रांड. ठीक है, मतलब उन्हें कलर की कोई पहचान नहीं होती. इन मोस्ट केसेस इट इज द फ्लटरिंग ऑफ द क्लोथ बाय ए बुल फाइटर विच इमिटेट्स अ बुल. द कलर ऑफ द क्लोथ इज इमैटेरियल. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Ostriches bury their heads in the sand. No, ostrich have small heads and two scalp. Detection, they lie on the ground with their necks outstretched. Their heads are so small that even from a short distance, it looks like their heads are actually buried in the sand. Camels store water in their humps. जो कैमल जो है वो वाटर स्टोर करता है, ये पढ़ते हैं. एक कैमल के सर्वाइव फॉर सेपरेट डेज विदाउट वाटर. जो कैमल होता है वो काफी दिनों तक सर्वाइव कर लेता है बिना पानी के, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनी वाटर स्टोर in its hump, but because its body is adapted to fight extreme dehydration that would otherwise kill most other animals. Also, it stores lumps of fatted muscle in its humps, which provide energy when it has to go without food for days. Bats or blinds. Bats, चमगादड़ के बारे में कुछ, ठीक है. Studies show that a bat does not use its eyesight to trap prey. Rather, it emits short, high-pitched sounds that are echoed by obstacles in its path. This is called echolocation, and is used to trap prey to avoid obstacles and possibly to regulate the height at which the bat is flying. Because bats use echolocation more than they use their eyes, people often think they are blind, but ऐसा नहीं है. Next, find out whether these statements are true or false. Cats hate bathing in water. Yes, true. Cats are nocturnal creatures. Yes, true. An elephant never forgets. True. We याद रखता है सारी चीजें. Bees will not sting at night. False. Now, next chapter number 6. This is unique nature. ये अलग चीजें हैं, यूनिक है. ये पढ़ते हैं के बारे में. ये क्या चीजें हैं? Unique nature. Read to know about some of the most wonderful creations on the natural world. ठीक है, बहुत ही वंडरफुल क्रिएशंस क्या हैं? द बोलफियर स्पीसीज ऑफ वाटर प्लांट्स इंक्लूड्स द वर्ल्ड्स स्मॉलेस्ट फ्लोइंग प्लांट्स. ठीक है, अब वो a dozen of these plants would easily fit on the head of a pill. पिल दिखा है अपनी सेफ्टी पिन, उसके चोंच पे वो फिट हो जाएगी. एंड 2 plants in blue will fit inside a small printed letter. Okay, O के अंदर भी ये जो प्रिंट O है ना, किसके अंदर भी ये फिट हो जाएंगी. These are eaten as vegetable in some part of Asia. Fantastic. The gigantic well-with chia plant is unique to the Negev desert. It consists of only 2 leaves. Its lifespan is about 100 years or more. In such a dry environment, the Well, Dichia plant has evolved an extensive root system that absorbs surface water from a great volume of adjacent soil. The mantis shrimp. What is this? The mantis shrimp is best known for acute sense of vision. देखने के लिए. It has at least 8 different color. ये 8 different color होते हैं. Receptive causes compared to the 3 that humans have. This means that they can see several different other colors that humans cannot even process. Other creatures themselves are very colorful and communicate with other mantis shrimp and predators by means of fleshy layer. Different variety of colors, some play flow, flacoid, red, green, and blue patches of fluorescent yellow that actually glows in the dark. वो देखने में लग रहा है कि कितने सारे वाइब्रेंट कलर हैं इस एम्बर. ऐसा लग रहा है कलर फ्री की हूँ मैं, है ना. नाउ नेक्स्ट इंडियन पाइप. व्हाट इज दिस? हाँ, पाइप की तरह देखिए. देयर आर इंडियन पाइप इज अ स्मूथ लीफलेस बैक्सिस हर्बिशियस प्लांट. इट इज कलरलेस बिकॉज इट इज नो क्लोरोफिल. कलर किस होता है? क्लोरोफिल पे होता है ग्रीन कलर, बट ये कलरलेस है. ठीक है. If it dries out, it turns black. The plant obtains nourishment from decaying organic matter. Next, the two-headed bull shark. Two-headed bull shark, ये यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ना, ये रहा, is considered the rarest shark species in the world. It has 2 heads and 2 halves. It was discovered in the year 2011 and scientists still don't know much about this new species. Okay. The axolotl is a sand found only in Lake Xochimilco and Lake Carco in central Mexico. Since Lake Carco has been completely drained by the people living in the region to avoid periodic flooding and Lake Xochimilco is now a series of canis exotic are threatened with extinction. Next one, the Dumbo octopus. Look like the octopus. Has been named so because of its ear-like fins, which protrude from the top of its body and look like the ears of Dumbo or the sea-flying elephant. These octopuses live at extreme depth of the ocean. Extreme depth यानी कि गहराई में, and are some of the rarest member of the octopus family. Mountain grasshopper have stiff flaps instead of wings. They stay in the ground so that they do not get blown away by the strong mountain wind. In this way, some of these insects survive even above the snow line. Mountain का grasshopper, mountain वाला grasshopper अलग होता है. Now, which time? Not the only, and there were other than 2 months, no to contract leprosy. ये है deny banded armadillo. This month. नाम लिखते हैं. चलिए. Armadillo. Okay. Next. Which is the longest reptile in the world? Reticulated parthenium. Panthan. Which bird constructs the largest nest structures in the world? Social beaver. Number 4. Name which is the only animal in the world to have 4 cones? Chosinga. Name the only country in the world where both lions and tigers are common in the wild. India. I hope you are enjoying this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.